I was incarcerated before, and I got recommended by the Cook County Department of Corrections. They have a reintegration program that partners up with the IBEW. And so when I came home after serving my time, I was recommended to be put into this to create a new path for myself in life.
I've been trying to get into the electrical field for 5 years now. So once I saw this opportunity, I jumped at it.
It taught me how to become a better person as a man. You want to impress the people above them. Like, you want to get here early, you want to show people that you deserve to be here, and you want to keep going, don't give up.
This is a great opportunity for people that just don't know anything about electricity, and just to move forward in the right direction in order for you to be able to become and be part of the brotherhood of the IBEW.
This is an amazing opportunity. You know, being able to work in a union position is really such a great chance for anyone.
The largest graduating class of our history of 83 participants.
Summer Solar is an annual program offered by the Illinois IBEW Renewable Energy Fund that brings in participants of our high school programs, community college programs, and cohorts with different community-based organizations for a 2-week intensive course covering advanced solar technologies and job readiness. This program leads directly into an opportunity as a pre-apprentice with IBEW Local 134.
There's no stopping what you can do. You just needed the door open. Well, today we opened the door.
IBEW Local 134. This is where dreams are made. Right here.
And so when I look out on this crowd and see this amazing, diverse group, black, white, male, female, we're doing something right.
This program was honestly a great gateway into becoming an electrician. Now I know what the standard is, what's expected of me, and I got to connect with the brotherhood and get to know everything, and I know all the details now to everything.
The renewable energy as a whole is something that I feel like the world needs to tap in more.
Summer Solar 2025 is just about done. This is one milestone on your journey. You're going to have many opportunities throughout your career. Your journeys are going to be varied. You're going to have different situations. You're going to have different projects you've worked on. Every one of those is part of a journey, and every one of the IBEW members that you will be working alongside is also on a journey.
The Summer Solar program teaches you about solar energy and how it can be beneficial, as well as it will also prepare you for if you wish to learn about the electrical union.
One of the responsibilities you have with this opportunity is that when the next generation comes in behind you, that you're sharing your knowledge, you're sharing your experiences, you're welcoming them to the job site, to the industry.
It's a pretty good start. Like, you get a lot of experience, you learn about different tools, you get some hands-on experience with solar panels.
Your best ability is availability.
You could come in with no experience at all, and they'll pretty much teach you everything. Like, get there early, be ready to participate, because if you listen and take all of that in, it's gonna get you far.
And I think electricity is like, you can get lots of jobs doing electricity because that's the way of the future. So I think this is better.
On behalf of the Contractors Association, I'd like to welcome you into our industry. You have an amazing opportunity here, and the career path is unlimited in our industry.
We also have a culture of belonging. You belong to the family now that is IBEW. You're under that umbrella now. You're part of a family now. You belong.
I would definitely recommend it. If you don't know anything about solar, all you have to do is show up. And if you can show up, the rest will fall in line.
We're only going to get better if we're working together. From Chicago to Cairo, from Evanston to Edwardsville, we have to help every single community in this state, and that's my commitment as Speaker of the House.
IBEW in general, they want more women. You know, we need more women. If you have the opportunity to take it, you should take it.
What I like to tell you all is that out there in the field, it's rough. They'll tear you down, they'll do whatever they can to make sure that you got it. But here, they'll represent you, they'll call for you, and they'll make sure that you're all right. So take advantage of it.
And as a woman, female electrician, I know she's got the gumption to persevere.
You don't feel safe or you've got a question about something, you ask it.
Everyone a part of this union they're all well connected, they all have a strong bond together, and they all just love to communicate.
You want to work alongside the people that you aspire to be. The opportunities are limitless. You are your only limit. Take advantage of this. Take it and run with it.
It feels good to be a part of this program because I didn't expect myself to be an electrician until Miss Kendrick kind of like helped me through classes, and she was telling my mom that if she actually took this as a career, she'd actually be good.
I was actually in the wait list, and one of my friends wasn't like well prepared to take it, and so I was next in the spot, and thankfully it all worked out, and I'm in the summer solar now.
Show up on time. On time is key. Like Mr. Walters had said today, availability is big. If you're not there, you're not available. So make sure you're there, make sure you're ready to work.
Second generation, being able to, this is something that he can pass on to his children. These are skills that I cherish, that he can actually pick up and take along with him as well.
It's a great pathway, great opportunity, helps you get your foot in the door, do some class learning, some hands-on learning, and you connect with a lot of people and you take advantage of the opportunity given to you.
Be comfortable being uncomfortable.
I would tell them to take it and run with it. This program gives you everything.
Anybody who seems confused or misled or has gone down different routes in their life, I remind everyone that this is a program where you can find yourself, you can find a brotherhood, a sisterhood, and also a program where you can develop yourself in characteristics and personality.
I'm a little nervous because it's change, but change is good. Be comfortable being uncomfortable like they told us.
And when I found out it was 83 graduates, the largest graduates of this program in its history, congratulations to each and every one of you. It's well deserved. Give yourselves a round of applause.
A way to get your foot in the door of a life-changing profession.
I was a demolition laborer, and I'm just looking for like a career change. Totally something different that I've never done before.
The Summer Solar program was a wonderful opportunity for us all. We got to learn a lot about safety, about camaraderie, critical thinking, and above all, what it means to be workers in the renewable energy sector of the world.